Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm showing you an absolutely incredibly delicious chicken recipe. This is a whole chicken that I've split into two and I'm using a mustard marinade. So let's take a look at how I pulled together this amazing recipe. So for this recipe, I'm actually splitting the chicken into two. You can certainly buy a chicken that's already cut into two. You want all that bone in, and the reason for splitting the chicken into two is so that it actually cooks in a shorter time frame. You could certainly choose to leave it whole, and you'll just need to cook it for a little bit longer. Okay, I'm using a mustard lemon marinade. I'm going to allow the chicken to marinate for about 2 hours so it soaks up all that lovely tanginess. You can certainly do it up to overnight, which is just as fine. I'm going to be using a two-step process to cook the chicken. First, I'll do it at 450 degrees to get it nice and charred. Kind of imitates a grilling type of recipe. Start it at 450 and then I'll reduce the temperature to 325 degrees and to finish it off. Time for the moment of truth, a nice little taste test. It's so tender. Nice tanginess from the mustard and the lemon juice combined. Absolutely perfect. Okay beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed watching this easy tutorial of how Yasmin makes a super moist and delicious mustard lemony chicken. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and click on the icon down to my left, your right. To get the details to this recipe and many other super delicious and easy recipes that are wholesomely delicious, click on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!